Tap, tap. Anderson?
Here.
Tap. Brianna?
Present.
Tap, tap. Carlos?
Yo.
Tap. Debbie?
Here.
Tap, tap. Everybody?
Yep.
Good bird.
Checking you out, buddy.
I cannot unhear that.
That's the best thing I've ever heard. Oh, Rio, you're killing me.
Whoa!
I knew this would happen.
Oh, no way.
I need a vacation from you people.
Oh, no way!
I do that?
He actually said it!
Oh my gosh.
Seriously.
Why do you always take the first handful?
You know I like the folded
Because
chips.
you pick through and leave all the broken ones.
Because you pick through and leave all the broken ones.
Did you hear that? Oh no.
He didn't. Folded chips! Folded chips!
Stop it.
Mine! Mine!
Oh my gosh, he's
roasting us.
Okay, you win, buddy.
I'm not mad, just disappointed.
Did you hear that?
He sounds like a dad.
Crying.
I am reading your mind. You want a big bowl of worms.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, wrong channel. Let me try again. You are thinking about stealing the neighbor's chips.
What? Snitch.
Yeah, and they had the sourdough on sale, so I grabbed 2 loaves.
Nice. Did you remember to get more milk?
Yep, whole and oat.
So dramatic.
Oh, you were serious? Oh my god.
Say that again, but smarter. That was perfect.
Oh my gosh, did you hear the tone?
He sounded so sassy.
Say it again, buddy.
I'm sorry, okay?
It's my bad.
Super, super, super sorry. Oh no, I'm a terrible bird. Please don't be mad. I'm judging you silently. Loudly.
Oh my god. That's perfect.
Loudly.
I can't with this bird.
No way. Told ya. Called it.
I have 5 minutes if this happens.
Did you hear him? He's judging us.
Oh, that's too good.
I'm muting you. Problem solved. Problem solved.
No way. Oh my. I can't.
That is the funniest thing I've ever heard.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Oh my god! No way! Did you really say that?
You're brave and wrong.
Oh my gosh. Did it just say that?
Totally did.
That's the best thing I've ever heard.
I'm done. I'm done.
All right?
Who taught you that, little guy?
I'm crying.
I need subtitles for you.
Anyway.
That is the best thing I've ever.
Next!
Oh my gosh! Did you hear that? That's perfect!
I can't.
Next!
Oh no, let's do it again.
Best day ever!
Interesting.
Interesting. Oh, no. Interesting.
That sounds like it's judging us.
Interesting. Interesting.
This is my moment.
Ah! Oh my God! No way!
I'm crying.
You get that?
Oh, he is not having it. Oh my gosh! He's so dramatic.
It's going in my diary.
That was funny. Squawk?
Unbelievable!